Welcome to our video about the 10 must-have tools for cleaning your home. Keeping your living space clean is important, and having the right tools can make the process so much easier. Let's get started. First on our list is an all-purpose cleaner. This is a versatile cleaner that can be used on almost any surface. Not only does it clean, but it also disinfects, making it perfect for keeping your home germ-free. Microfiber cloths are a great tool for cleaning almost any surface in your home. They are super absorbent and can hold up to 7 times their weight in water. Plus, they are reusable and can be washed many times before needing to be replaced. A good vacuum cleaner is essential for keeping your carpets and floors clean. Look for a model with good suction and a HEPA filter to trap small particles like dust and allergens. Rubber gloves are a must-have for protecting your hands while cleaning. They are especially useful when using harsh chemicals or for cleaning dirty or greasy items. A scrub brush is great for tackling tough stains and dirt. Look for one with a comfortable grip and a variety of bristle strengths so you can use it on different surfaces. Dusting is important for keeping your home free from allergens and dust mites. Look for a duster with microfiber or other soft materials that won't scratch surfaces. A good mop and bucket are essential for cleaning floors. Look for a mop with a detachable head that can be washed or replaced easily. A squeegee is a great tool for cleaning windows, shower doors, and other glass surfaces. It removes water and cleaning solution quickly and leaves surfaces streak-free. Last but not least, a toilet brush and cleaner are essential for keeping your bathroom clean. Look for a brush with strong bristles and a cleaner that fights against germs and bacteria.